Hi, let's see how to install Docker. But before installing Docker, we need to install WSL, which is also known as Windows Subsystem for Linux. Open Microsoft Windows Store and search for Windows Subsystem for Linux. Now click on the Ubuntu provided by Canonical Group Limited. Click on Get. Wait until it finishes download. Click on the Open button to open the WSL, but you can see it is failed because we have not yet enabled WSL in our system. So let's open Windows search bar and type turn Windows feature on and off. Now scroll through and there you will see Windows Subsystem for Linux. Click on the checkbox and enable it. Once it enabled, please restart your system. Now again click on the open button and start your installation again. Once the installation finishes, let's move over to the last step, which is downloading and installing the Docker. Open Chrome browser and type download Docker. Click on the very first link and select download for Windows. I have already downloaded the setup, so I am going to pause the download. Now open the downloaded folder and double click the setup to run the installation file. Let's wait until it finishes the installation. You can see Docker has been installed successfully. So close and restart your machine.